boom, 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 boom. Watch your head.
Good morning! Happy Sunday! Happy Father's Day! Iba yung Father's Day ng Australia at saka Pilipinas. So sa Pilipinas tapos na. Dito, it's not birthday, Father's Day, Daddy. Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Mommy daw. Oh my gosh. Arlo woke up really happy. Wala si Daddy. He went to Baby Bunting, guys, to get our car seat installed. I mean, the capsule. So, last night, we were busy last night. In-install namin yung dalawang car seats na binili namin. Bumili kami ng bagong dalawang car seats. In-install namin sa new car. Same pa din siya ng brand na meron kami ngayon, but just a little bit slim. So, kasyang-kasya siya sa car kasi nga malaki na nga yung car. Tapos bumili pa kami ng medyo slim pa na car seat. So, in-install namin yung dalawang bagong car seat for Ayla and Arlo yesterday. And we just played with the car a little bit as well. And then we went for a drive as well at night, last night. And ang ganda ng vibe niya sa gabi kasi ang ganda ng speaker, tapos ang ganda ng pa-ambient lighting niya sa loob. So that's what we did. Hindi ko na na-vlog lahat ng ngayon. We just enjoyed the family time. And alam nyo na kapag si Dan may kailangan gawin ng mga ganyan, grumpy siya. Ayaw niya nagpuput together ng mga bagay-bagay. So tinulungan ko siya, guys. Guys, we're gonna see your cousins today. Okay? And it's Daddy's day today as well. Ayla, we have to get Daddy's present ready. We have a present for Dada. Father's Day, not birthday. So I will be making iced coffee again. I will be doing something different na naman this time because our coffee machine nga, it has ice tapos hot. So gusto kong gawin dun yung iced coffee version para hindi na ako maglalagay-lagay ng espresso dito. Yung ilalagay ko na lang is hopefully condensed milk at saka yung ice. Kasi doon na gagawin yung kape mismo. So, we'll do that. It will be easier. Tinatry ko yung mga bagay-bagay and see kung ano yung pinaka-madali para sa akin. Why? So, ito yung pang-iced coffee na lalagyan ng gatas. Iba-iba yung lalagyan ng gatas sa hot coffee at saka iced coffee. So, ito yung pang-iced coffee. Cafe latte. Flat white, cold brew cappuccino, cold brew latte. I think I'll try the cold brew cappuccino mix. That's the hot coffee that I choose all the time. I choose the hot cappuccino mix, so maybe I'll choose that. Alright, may patanong-tanong pa siya, how cold do you want your drink? I like it extra cold. Maglagay lang muna ako ng ice cubes, guys. Wait. Dang, that looks good. What do you want? Show you what? Sarap ng kape. Merong kape konti. Drink it here, not in the couch, please. So good. Iba na yung kape namin eh. Hindi na yung lagi namin binibili. Nasa Drake's lang nabibili. Lagi ko chine-check kung naka-sale ba. Nag-order kami ng bagong kape. Inirecommend ng friend ni Dan. Masarap siya.
Hello.
Are you still at Kmart?
I got the hangers.
Yeah, thank you.
See you, bye.
Thanks, bye. You want more? Here we go again. Oh, yummy ate. Yung nag-ano siya ng, kumain na siya ng breakfast eh. Pero ngayon you don't need it? Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Kumakain ng cereal ng walang gatas. Is this your favorite? I can't open it, Bob. It's so hot and it's so cold. This is so hard to open. I don't understand. Far away.
Can I feel more?
Of course you can. I can't open it. It's cold. Aw. Alright, that's good. I'm happy to serve that to Daddy. Kasi sabi niya, can you make me iced coffee again today? Of course naman, Father's Day. Siyempre. Kape lang pala. Wash the dishes. It's already washed, Bob. We don't have any... we have this. You want to wash this? Okay. Wait. And Arlo cereal pala. Sige.
I want my milk. Let's see.
Finish it so you can wash it.
But I don't want to finish it.
Okay, pour it there.
Oh, yay. Oh, yeah. Mine is very hot.
Alright guys, gawin natin yung mga bili ni Daddy. So, Father's Day today, punta tayo sa bahay ng pinsan ni Dan. So, yung pagkain today is gyros, tsaka meron kasi silang pizza oven. Mahilig siya magluto. Hala, snacking na tayo guys. Yeah, so magpipizza siya, homemade pizza. And then magi-gyros din kami. So, Don got this yesterday. So, ito yung pita gyros bread. Gyros bread. Dito ako sa side na to kasi gusto ko umupo. Hindi pa pwedeng lumabas si baby. Bukas pa siya magti-37 weeks. Bukas pwede na. Pwede na akong galaw-galaw para full term na talaga siya. Ipapaano niya lang to sa akin. Ipapa-chop, ipapa-ready. So, tomatoes, onion. We've got red onions and lettuce. Hugasan ko muna tong mga to. So, ito yung sauce para sa gyros. Gyros is parang shawarma siya, guys. Yeah, mahilig si Dan sa ganito. Mas prefer ko pa din talaga yung version natin, yung shawarma natin. Tatayo pa din pala ako, guys. Hugasan ko muna to.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Time check, 11:05. Dan is back and sabi niya, it's a tight fit daw. Sabi ko lang kanina na should be alright. But masikip daw guys, yung car seat ba. And sabi niya baka mahirapan daw akong kunin yung capsule. Kasi i-click lang yun siya, diba? Tapos kunin mo, tapos i-transfer sa pram. But sabi niya, you will struggle because it's a tight fit. So he's trying to figure out downstairs kung anong magagawa niya para hindi ako mahirapan. Kasi if we have to do anything like immunization and all that, Dan will not be around all the time. So I will have to do it. I'm just getting ready.
I want lipstick.
Ay, hinihingal na ako. Wait, you need to change first. What are you gonna wear? Ito yung ginagamit ko na sunscreen. I can help you. Kasi yung isang sunscreen ko, nilagay ko na sa hospital bag ko. Wait, okay, let's go choose your clothes na.
And then I wear lipstick.
And then you can wear lipstick, yes. Uy. Something comfy, because you're gonna be playing a lot with your cousins. But warm. Comfy and warm. This is nice.
Mickey.
And then just put a cardigan on.
I don't know Tony.
Cardigan is this.
That one fits perfect.
That one will fit perfect, yes.
Please.
And
I don't think
we'll put leggings on.
Yeah.
I mean tights.
I love you.
Oh, thanks, baby. Oh, you're so sweet.
I want to sit in the back.
You wanna sit at the back?
No.
Here in my bag.
No. Can I sit in the back? Mommy?
Yep. Wait. Oh, there you go. It's open. Ah, it's locked. Child lock.
Can I lay down the back?
Yep.
The bird, mommy. Can I sit in that bag?
Ah, well done. See, car seats are installed. We've got baby capsule as well. So Ayla goes in the middle. Alo, you go on the side.
Any seatbelt? Isla, sit down, please. I'll do your seatbelts.
Who's ready to go to Chloe's house? At least someone's happy.
Isla.
Ayla, she's got a gymnastics setup there, Bob. You wanna go there, Alo?
We can be friends again. Let's be friends. Can we be friends?
Be friends with Daddy. It's
Oh,
Daddy's Day.
she's hurting my finger, Mama. Oh.
It's Daddy's Day, ate.
Isla. I love you, Ali.
Ay, itong mga taong to.
Isla. I love my little princess.
See, can you see
Are you
Baby's
gonna bite
chair?
it? Are you gonna bite it? You get one little bite. I'll give one little bite. Quick, one bite.
She was so sweet to you this morning, greeting you Happy Father's Day. Ang bilis nilang mag-clash silang dalawa. Bilis-bilis. Parang, you're like Sharon and you. Just clashes. Huh? Sorry? Who's that? Who's thumbs down at the moment?
Daddy.
Arlo? Why Arlo? Arlo's been such a good boy. He helped you clean up. Arlo, good cleaning up, mate. He helped you clean up today, Baba, before we left. He's so excited to see the cousins, don't you, mate?
The guy.
Huh? Up in the sky? What's up in the sky? You guys look really comfy in your car seats. I like your car seats.
Isla, is your car seat okay? Princess. Princess Isla.
You can see the middle, Baba.
Princess
You can see
Isla.
everything.
Is your car seat okay?
Alo, are you comfy there, Alo? No. Yes, you are. You can see everything. Oh my gosh, you can see a lot, babe. Yeah, up in the sky.
Why I don't down?
Huh?
On the window, we can take that down.
There's a shade on the other side. That's okay. We can take that down later.
Look at all the flowers.
Right? You can see better. It's so big, the window.
It's a very big Dallas one and big boy tail.
That's right.
You're in a big girl's chair, Isla.
You are. You
I
are.
was in a little chair. I smell.
You smell? What can you smell? Oh, that's an onion.
And they don't like onion.
Indy doesn't like
She
onion
might
either.
love onions.
We don't know, Baba.
They
Isla,
like
flowers. Flowers on here.
Flowers on the side, aren't they? Look, look. Look at the flowers,
They
guys.
are very
Do you want to go pick them?
We're home.
long.
Update, it is 5:37. Wala akong nakuhang kahit na konting clips dun, guys. Yeah, alam niyo naman ako, hindi talaga ako na-vlog masyado or at all. kapag kasama yung pamilya niya. Anyway, we're home. And I'm 37 weeks tomorrow. So, officially full term na ako tomorrow. After kasi nung midwife appointment ko nung 36 weeks, which was last Monday, sobrang dobling ingat talaga. Like, hindi ako masyado nagkikilos-kilos kahit na kilos pa din ako because, you know, may mga bata. Pero, as much as possible, hindi ako masyadong nakatayo ng matagal. Ngayon, pwede na. Kasi pwede na siyang lumabas. Anytime, okay na. Safe na siyang lumabas. Kung lumabas siya mamaya, okay lang. Or bukas, okay lang din. Basta 37 weeks na ako bukas. Full term na. So, pwede na. Anyway. Or do you wanna wait for our little right now?
You know what you're gonna the best.
Do you wanna get it now?
Yeah, is it in our house now? Yes, so good. Look at Daddy Bang! Put it in the picture.
Oh no. So meron kasing ginawang card to siya sa school na bibigay namin. Pero alam na din ni Daddy to kasi nakikita niya yung update sa school eh. Tapos yung teacher, sinabi niya kasi dun sa app na meron to sa backpack ng anak niya. So alam na ni Daddy. Pero ito yung hindi niya alam. Okay, here.
That I made. Look a bit funny.
Look. That's for Daddy, guys. Ayla drew that. That's Daddy.
He looks a bit angry.
He looks a bit angry. He's got 4 eyes.
Mom, there's a nose.
Huh? There's a where's the nose?
There is a nose.
Oh, yeah. I like Daddy's nose.
And that,
And Daddy's got ears.
and yeah. He's up here.
I love it. All right.
I
Okay. Now give it to Daddy. Okay.
yeah.
What are you gonna say?
I love that. Say, happy fun.
Okay. Say it very loud. Go.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you. No.
Take it out.
Did you make this for me?
Yeah.
Is that me? I like it.
It's ears. It's ears. It's a
Where's my arms?
You've got ears.
bird.
Where's my ears? Am I a rabbit?
No.
A duck?
No.
Okay, I like it. I like it. These are my long legs. Where's my body? I just got a head. What about this?
A teacher said no.
No body, just head. It looks just like me.
I love it, Baba.
Yeah.
Your arm is there.
I like my arm point coming in my head.
You got this. You want
You're doing a thumbs up.
Bring a thumb up. Thank you, princess. Thank you.
what does it say?
Picture of all things broken. The hero. Am I the hero of the family? I think Mummy's the hero of the family. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you, princess. I like it.
This is what.
What else do you get me? Oh,
What's that?
it's the aftershave. Do you want to have a smell? Thank you, my love.
So smell it, Daddy. Arlo's sleeping, so Arlo's not here, guys.
Is it for me and Daddy?
It's for me and you, princess. Oh, going to spray a bit on your arm? Okay.
That smells good, my love. I like it.
Okay, smell it, princess.
Smells good.
Smells good? Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Arlo.
Where's I?
So bring this upstairs, Baba. You wanna help me? Nag-ano ako eh, nagtutupi ako. Sa taas pala ako magtutupi. Akala ko, sabi-sabi ko pa nung nag-organize ako nung ano doon. Laundry na, doon ako magtutupi. Kailangan pala sa taas ako magtupi. Kasi nandun yung lalagyan ko ng damit. Isang pack nito guys, $2 lang sa Kmart. Kailangan ko ng maraming hangers na naman para sa mga batang ito. Kasi nadagdagan na tayo ng bata. Kids plastic hangers. $12. $12. $2 lang ha. May 12 ka na. Kasama to sa order ko nung mga ano actually, mga overalls. Kaya lang, matagal siya naging available. Yeah, it's a cotton wrap. Kasi aside from the swaddles, yung swaddle na na-zip up mo na lang, I can also swaddle them using blankets or like wraps like this. So yeah, like that. And I actually like using the jersey material na pang swaddle. But the cotton material is fine as well. Yung jersey, mas maganda kasi mas may stretch siya sa kanya. Nasa swaddle ko nang maayos yung bata dun. Basta mas gusto ko yun. But this one is 100% cotton ata to. It does have a little bit of stretch to it. But mas nice yung jersey na material. Jersey cotton ata tawag dun. Mas stretchy siya. But yeah, this one's fine. This is from Kmart. And promise, ito na talaga yung last na order for now.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Alright guys, let's eat. Whew. Kain tayong rice. Namiss ko mag-rice. Kasi dan, busog yan. Daming food kasi kanina. Nag-pizza, tapos nag-gyros. Sarap ng meat. Hindi lang talaga ako mahilig sa yun nga yung sabi ko, mas gusto ko yung Filipino na version. Hala babe, look at your son. Daddy will wash your hands. Ito na naman tayo kasi gabi na, bigat-bigat na naman yung tiyan ko, napaka-uncomfortable na naman ng mga bagay-bagay. But I managed to cook. Ito guys, pinakuksan, tawag dyan. Dry na adobo. Char. Ano ba? Hindi yan. Ewan ko, basta. Ano lang to. Natira kong pork belly. Nagsisig kasi ako one time. Nag-vlog ba ako nun? Hindi ata ako nag-vlog nun. Nagsisig ako, nag-pork sisig. Tapos yung natira, frinay ko lang siya sa sarili niyang mantika. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng soy sauce. Hindi para siyang pinakupsan ba yung tawag? Gusto ko na mga anak guys. Gusto ko na mga anak. Kasi grabe, kanina nagluluto ako ba? Hindi ako makatayo ng matagal. Kagabi, sakit ng likod ko. As in, dito, sobrang sakit talaga ng likod ko kagabi. Actually, di ba, matagal ko na siya na-feel. Kasi nga, ilang beses na ako nag-false labor. Kaya lang, sabi ko, wag muna. Kasi gusto ko naman na walang komplikasyon. Gusto ko na full term talaga. Ngayon, full term na, gusto ko naman na. Bukas pa naman, but okay na yun. Pag labor ako ngayon, yung anak ako, alam mo yun, pwede na talaga. Ang daming bawal. Ang dami kasing bawal na. Hindi na ako pwedeng mag-drive ng matagal. Kung ganito yung sitwasyon ko, wala rin ako masyadong magawa. Hindi ko madala sa playground yung mga bata. Alam mo yun, hindi ako makalabas ng ako lang mag-isa na. Kasi baka doon ako abutan sa labas.